let's get the vacuum on.
We're going to try and make some sort of assessment based on this run. So click run, check your absorbency.
The water level is still going down.
Has concluded melting. We call that melt range 130 to 134. So when we take a melt point and we don't see the product melt on a single temperature.
Measure those two angles. I'm putting my protractor in place. What I have between the horizontal and that string, I've got 45 degrees.
Sample in as we lift the lid, the lights go off, and we put our funnel in here.
Damaged legs, but here's the carapace, this structure, and it's basically enveloping the whole of the thoracic segments, and at the bases of those.
Just going to draw a line at the top of it. We have our salicylic acid standard here. Now,
The two structures that are probably most important to see are these little elongate things which are just sitting in the mantle cavity. They are the gills, which are...
this is awful.
So get your 4 mils into that one there. And the last one, we're going to put 5 mils. So I've got to readjust
mid-span. Now what I've put here is 2 500 grams, so it all adds up to 1 kilo, 1 kilogram of weight.
Offset. For our next reading, it's going to let a wee bit of air back in the system, where we can get some really detailed images from some of the fingerprints. So very, very good. Okay, so as I was saying, what we'd do once we've identified a print, we would set up that down so that we can get proper quantitative transfer. So remember, this is quantitative analysis, so we want to make sure we can capture everything. So I'm going to